Hello again everyone, Dr. Dan Bockmann here. Today we're going to go over how to use a softball or a lacrosse ball to do self-massage work on your hip. Now we've gone over how to use a foam roller in the past, and a foam roller is a great massage tool. However, it is a big blunt tool and it will not fit in the little bits around the hip and glute that, as well as a smaller, sharper tool like this will. So in order to use, I prefer a softball just because it's a little taller, so it will actually penetrate into the muscle a little deeper. If you're thinner or more petite, a lacrosse ball may work better for you, but personally I like the deeper pressure of the softball. So to roll your left hip, you would start with your thigh on its side, this foot flat. This is going to be a rescue foot because if this is too painful on your hip, you can always raise up a little bit to reduce the amount of pressure you're laying on the ball with. So wedge the ball right under waistband and then a little forward, little back. You're just hunting for sore spots, and you'll feel bones in there. Just pick your way between them and you'll get used to the landscape in there. There's no magic to this, so you're just kind of hunting around to see if there are any interesting sore spots in there on the kind of outside of the hip and thigh. Then let's check the back of the hip. So to do that, you'll lay your down leg, this leg straight. Again, you've got a rescue foot here that you can raise up with if you need to. I know it's hard to see, but I'm rolling side to side, kind of right under the rim of the pelvis there. And once you, just to see if there are any sore spots. And then once I get to tailbone, I'm going to kind of go up and down right next to tailbone. And then I'll just kind of generally roll around the rest of the glute. So this is very awkward but very effective. So you'll likely find some sore spots. And once you've mapped them all out, which you'll see I have just done in that short amount of time, then spend 2 minutes rolling any painful spots you find every 3 days until those spots are no longer painful to roll over, which means you fix that problem. So again, 2 minutes per hip or glute every 3 days. And the reason not daily, again, is because you're intentionally bruising yourself a little. You're going to want the bruises to calm down before next time. Otherwise, it'll be a permanent bruise that never goes away and never feels any better to roll over. But every 3 days lets it start hurting a little less each time. Once it doesn't really hurt anywhere, you fix that problem, you can put the ball away, but check it every so often because these things can come back. So basically this is the test to see if you have any scar tissue, adhesions, inflammation in these muscles or tendons, and it is also the fix for that problem if you do have it. So hopefully that's helpful, and if so, great, leave us a like or share. Stay tuned for more of these home rehab videos that we'll be shooting in the future, and if you have a specific topic you'd like me to shoot a clip on, leave that in the comment section below, and I'd love to leave you a personal video answer. Until next time, we'll see you guys there.